Something about it made my heart beat slow, just like a Sunday on a gravel road. I don't know why she soothes my soul. It felt familiar when she walked in, like she stepped into a place I've been. Now I know why she feels like home.